Today we are unboxing Portronics 3 meter cable power plate 10 extension box. It has a 4 universal power sockets. I had got this from Amazon. It is basically a 1500 watts capacity converter. So I mean what it says. So we usually call it as an extension box. As you can see in the image, these are the things. We have four sockets. Each one of them is mentioned for different things, so which can be used for different purposes. It costed me around 400 rupees, which is not too high. I mean, it serves the purpose. So let's unbox it and see what we will be getting inside the box. So this is the extension box. We don't have nothing else in the inside the box. So it comes with an 3 meter cable. It's neatly packaged, like we have two cover separate covers covered for the extension board and for the cable. So as you can see, we have a single switch which marks 0 and 1. So I mean, we to turn it off and on. We have the fuse over here, and it also has an indicator if the fuse is blown. On the back side we have hooks to, I mean, hang it somewhere. So we have the on light, I mean the green light glows when it's on, and the other four ports. So this is the cable, the 3 pin cable which holds the phase neutral and earthing wire. Yep, that's pretty much inside the box. Yep, that's it. Thank you.